So I always go online and try to find the best useful gadgets for you guys. And one day I came across these earbuds right here for a good price of $25. I also found it interesting because it has bass up technology. This is for you guys that casually love listening to music, working out at the gym, or listening to podcasts. In this video, we're gonna unbox it and take a deeper dive into the earbuds, along with a few demos, so at the end of the video, you can see whether these earbuds are worth your hard-earned money. So here's the box that it comes with. It looks like it's pretty well packed. On the side you can see it says powerful sound via 10mm drivers that are in the earbuds. And on the back it's got 10 hours of playtime, IPX5 waterproof rating, and it looks like it's got an app so you can customize your own EQs. And the great thing is, you can choose your own color because the P20i's are available in 5 different colors: black, blue, light blue, pink, and white. So let's go ahead and get these out of the box and see what it comes with. It comes with the quick start guide, your USB to USB-C cord for charging, a pair of different size ear tips, and the Soundcore P20i's with a little lanyard. So since these came with different ear tips, I've already tried the ones that come in the box. I just had to go one size up. Taking a closer look at the case, it's got a plastic feel all around with the Soundcore logo in the middle. Towards the bottom, you're going to have your LED light indicator. When you open up the case, it has a rubber feel on the top of it, probably to prevent from scratching on the earbuds. And you're going to have your left and right indicators. Now that we took a closer look at the earbuds, time to see what they're actually made of. I'm going to pop both earbuds in my ear and give you my full honest reaction to what I'm hearing. I'm gonna be honest, when this said it has bass up technology on the box, this was definitely bassed up. On top of that, the clarity is great, and the bass does not distort the clarity at all. Some pretty good sound. You might be wondering, how do I know that this bass up technology is actually working? I mentioned earlier that Soundcore does have an application where you can customize your own EQs, and you can toggle whether you want the bass up on or off. All you have to do is put on your earbuds and make sure it's connected to your phone. Next, you're going to open up the application, and since your earbuds are already connected to your phone, it should find the earbuds pretty quickly. Once that's done, go ahead and hit equalizer, and the first thing you see is a toggle button for your bass up. All you have to do is hit Soundcore signature and then toggle your bass up. And there's also many different EQs like acoustic, bass reducer, dance, hip hop, and even rock. So you can adjust the sound the way that you like. If you go back, you could also hit controls to set a custom command for your tap feature. You could choose between your right or left earbud. And all you have to do is hit single tap or double tap, and it will give you these options such as volume up and down, next, previous song, and Siri. I know for sure that that app will definitely be used when I'm using these earbuds. These earbuds have built-in microphones, so let's see how well my voice sounds on a phone call. This is my voice on the Soundcore P20i microphone test to show you guys how well my voice sounds over a phone call. Test 1 2 1 2. In my opinion, I think these earbuds are a great bang for your buck. Soundcore has always been reliable when it comes to their earbuds and their headphones. On top of that, not too many companies out there create an app where you can change the way you want to listen to your music. And it gives you that bass up technology, which is great if you want to listen to bass heavy music like rock or rap or even EDM. And it's also great for watching movies. On top of that, it gives you some nice clarity for things like listening to podcasts or listening to music that are vocal heavy, all while maintaining a 30-hour playtime with the case. If you want to learn more about the P20i's, I will leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this, and I will catch you guys on the next one.